Welcome to grade 5 music. Today we are going to learn about the EAC Anthem. We'll look at the country that form EAC Anthem. We'll look at when the EAC Anthem was established. The East African Community Anthem. It is also known as Wimbo wa Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki in Kiswahili. It has 3 verses which are sung in Kiswahili. It's also commonly referred as EAC Anthem. The anthem is sung among the East African Community member states, namely Kenya, Rwanda, South Sudan, Tanzania, Uganda, Democratic Republic of Congo, the recent one. The anthem, the music of EAC Anthem is represented in 2 schools, choral music where it is written for soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Number 2, brass band music score written in the Western brass musical instrument. These are some of the countries that form the EAC Anthem. You can look at the picture or the image here. Have Democratic Republic of Congo, the biggest one, the Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, Southern Sudan, Uganda, and Tanzania. The East African Community Anthem was established on the 12th Ordinary Summit of East African Community Head of State meeting in Arusha, adopted EAC Anthem Wimbo wa Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki on 3rd December 2010. The adoption of the anthem brought an end of the decade-long searching for a song that East Africans would call their own. The Wimbo wa Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki is a melodic 3-stanza composed written in Kiswahili. It exhorts East Africans to pursue the virtue of unity, patriotism, and hard work, while cultivating the spirit of comradeship or the spirit of friendship. Learners, in grade 5, it is limited by being sung in unison using the soprano melody. It is to be sung once the East African community has been hosted in all government and public learning institutions in Kenya. Both Kenya and the national anthem and East African anthem should be performed at the public event with the aim of boosting the East African community integration and also as a symbol of unity among the East African community member states. The EAC promotes, or East African Community Anthem promotes good values like unity, peace, love, patriotism, respect, integrity, which is the key, hard work, and responsibility. The guidelines of performing EAC Anthem. During and the occasion of the performance, everyone present should stand or standing attention to show the sign of respect. Any national anthem that you sing, make sure show the respect, that you give the respect that anthem it deserves. The EAC citizen shall sing or play the anthem during the occasions or the regional significance. Individually playing or sing East African anthem should ensure that the tune and the lyrics or words are sung with a dignity it deserves. either the instrumental or sung version will be performed, the EAC anthem played during all the EAC summit meeting or the council meetings, when the head of state addressed the EAC Legislative Assembly. That's when it should be played, or it should be sung. Let's look at some of the occasions in which the EAC anthem is performed. During all the EAC summit meeting and commemorations day, during any occasion of the community where the head of state is present, 2 verses of the anthem shall be sung or played. When head of state address the East African Legislative Assembly during the opening of East African Legislative Assembly, it should be played or performed. Also during the opening of the East African Court of Justice, which is EACJ, all the regional events such as sports, conference, cultural events, and so on. All the national occasions in the partner states during all the public function after the national anthem of the country is sung. It is sung in school during the flag raising assembly, start and end of the daily session at Kenya Music Festival and Drama Festival. Inter-school competition or inter-school sport and athletics championship official start day, it should be played and it should be performed together with the national anthem. Or any other time or any other occasion, it should be played, but it should be respected, be given the respect that it deserves. Skills and concepts to be observed or to be developed in singing. Accuracy in pitch, rhythm, words should be observed while singing the various types of songs or the EAC anthem or any national anthem. The learners should observe the natural speech of rhythm of the words of the song, which define the rhythmic pattern of the song. Learner, we have come to the end of our lesson. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Grade 5 Music. Today we are going to learn about the EAC anthem. We'll look at the country that form EAC anthem. We'll look at when the EAC anthem was established.